pro tip before you guys throw stuff away like this old door. Take off this stuff you might need later on. I want to save this. You never know when you'll need stuff like this. I actually already have a use for this piece, but the only thing getting thrown out is the wood. I already ripped the screen off and rolled that up and saved the screen. Something I need to put a screen on. Got some hinges. Yeah, this will come in handy. Look at all this good stuff I got. I got 2 hinges, a bunch of screws, this adjustable metal rod, like you'd use on like a chain link gate or something. Nice little weather strip, little handle. I love it. Busted garage door. I understand that's not what this is for, but you could do something like that. Cover some gaps. You know, just a thought.